Meaning of drake.
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 Drake. The word drake has multiple meanings depending on the context. One of its main definitions is a male duck, especially one that is fully adult. It can also refer to a small dragon or serpent-like creature in medieval folklore. Additionally, Drake is a popular rapper and singer known for his smooth flow and introspective lyrics. Overall, the meaning of drake depends on the context in which it is used, but it often relates to animals or mythical creatures, sometimes with cultural or artistic references.